Our letter this week is letter M, and M is one of those letters when we make the sound. Some of them like add it at the end. So some of them are going to try to say that M makes the sound M, but keep in mind that letter M makes the sound mm. So when we form letter M, capital M, you go straight down, pick up your pencil, and then you add a V in the middle and go straight down again. And lowercase m, you go down and hit the ground and then go straight back up for 2 humps. So that is how we form capital M and lowercase m, and remember M makes the sound mm. So for homework, have your child choose an option for capital M and an option for lowercase m, or if they have their own idea, that's fine as well. Just make sure you take a picture and send it to me through Dojo. So our first option is forming capital M or lowercase m with M&Ms. Make sure they do a few of them so they get some repetition and form the letter the right way. Our next option is using macaroni to form capital M or lowercase m. And I've seen this done a couple ways. Some of the pictures were using just hard macaroni. And if you want to make it a little fun, you can cook the macaroni noodles and it just adds a little sensory piece to it. And they could form the capital M's or the lowercase m's with the cooked noodles, whichever one works best. And then they can create a list of words that start with letter M. So at this point in the year, we're getting pretty familiar with the sounds that the letters make. So, and we do this at school too, so they should be getting pretty good with thinking of words that start with that letter. So you guys can sit down together and just think of a bunch of words that start with letter M. And then our last option is always our handwriting page.